Good morning. How are
So
you?
good to see you, girl.
Good to see you too. I am so excited to show you this apartment.
Me too. So I have a client that is searching in this area.
Perfect.
Really?
This is truly the quintessential pied-à-terre.
I love it.
You know, if they don't need a lot of space, but they want, you know, comfort and modernity, but also one of the best views in town.
Wow. Wow, I'm so excited. Show it to me.
Come see.
So here you see a church.
Yeah, that's the Church of Ognissanti.
Wow.
They can pop down and see a lovely cycle of frescoes.
Beautiful.
Here you have the master bedroom.
Okay, let me go inside. Master bedroom with ensuite bathroom.
Beautiful marble finishings everywhere.
Okay, here's the toilet. It's like buying a hotel suite. Incredible.
Yeah, the quality is a little bit beyond that, as is the private art collection that comes with it.
Yes, of course. It has a personal touch to it. I love it. Okay, let's go.
What's nice here is you're in the central location, but the bedroom is off of the street.
Yes.
So not that this is a noisy piazza, but still to have your bedroom private in there.
It's very silent.
And still you have this internal courtyard with natural light coming in that really opens up this corridor.
Wow, amazing. And what about the kitchen?
Oh, why? Do you feel like cooking? And the kitchen.
Wow.
Again, we have the beautiful black marble, Italian design, bulky kitchen.
Wow.
Custom made for this space. All new appliances.
I love the color, and it's the same marble as it has on the walls.
And then as you go down the hallway, you have your full fridge, full wine bar, freezer, everything's right next to you.
It has everything you need.
It does, but don't you love the fact that
it disappears? Yes, because if I don't want to see dirty plates.
Because it's such a nice place to entertain, but at the same time, you don't have that much space, so you just...
Totally.
After dinner, you're finished.
We're just closing
had your
it up.
coffee,
yeah.
And it's gone.
And you don't have all that mess. And then this gorgeous view over the Arno. It's absolutely amazing.
And to have the piazza right in front of you to give it just this space, the air, you know, it feels like the apartment really extends.
Jane, you convinced me.
Huh?
I'm gonna buy it.
The apartment is fully domotic, so everything is, you know, controlled electronically in the modern fashion. It's got a wonderful fireplace that you click on. It's still a little warm this year.
And what about this marble? This is like precious.
Beautiful. We have 3 different types of very, very special marble. This is the black and the Saharan marble.
Incredible.
And then the beautiful brown marble in the master bedroom, and then the guest bathroom.
It's incredible. So there's a guest bathroom too?
There's a full guest bathroom.
Okay.
So, you know, could be his and her bathrooms.
Yeah, you both need a bathroom.
We need our space.
We need our space.
We need to hide our tricks.
Intimacy and great, Jane. So I'm really happy that you showed me this apartment.
Yeah, absolutely an apartment that someone can buy and move in the next day.
You just arrive with your suitcases.
And you've got the best of Italian design and Italian materials.
It's incredible.